student? Today's topic is the Great Bell. The Great Bell. The Great Bell. It is set in the era of Ming Dynasty in China. Where it is set? It is set in the era of Ming Dynasty. It is one of folk tales of China. It is a folk tales. Folk tales. Folk tales. Folk tales of China. Folk tales of China. Yung Law. Yung Law. Yung Law. Now, who was Yung Law? Yung Law was a mighty ruler in China, and he had built many beautiful, you can say, monuments, palaces, temples, and for whom? For his people. For his people. And there were, it is said that not only there was also a great wall like that of original one made. What does it mean? It means, and even a great wall. What does it mean? Means the Great Wall of China. It means that. And he wanted to do something other than original wall of China. That means the original wall of which China? The Great Wall of China. So Ming Li trusted his courtiers, means advisors of the king, and reminded him of an empty tower. Reminded of what? That the empty tower it was. Why empty tower, student? Why empty tower? Because that needed a bell. That needed a bell to announce the time of the day loudly. Loudly in place of the silent water clock that already existed. Then the king wanted to know. Then he wanted to know who was well versed. He wanted to know that who was well versed. Well versed means who was well, having a knowledge of, having a knowledge, having a knowledge, having a lot of knowledge about something. Lot of knowledge about something. So that's what well versed means. It is said that he was expert, was having a well known, well versed, and both in casting, metal and astronomy. So in both the fields, astronomy is the one who studies about the planets. Then mingling, okay, we come to another character, mingling. Ming, okay, about another mingling. Then he says that suggested the name of whom? Suggested the name of Kuan Yu, another character. Kuan, K-W-A-N, Kuan Yu. Kuan Yu. He suggested because he had earlier skillfully molded. Molded means to give shape. Molded the imperial cannon. Imperial cannon, that means cannon is a large, heavy piece of artillery. A large, heavy piece of artillery typically mounted on wheels or formally used in warfare. Kuan Yu was ordered. Then Kuan Yu was ordered. He was asked, okay, he was ordered to appear in the court. He was given a task. He was given responsibility. He was given tasks. He was also hesitant. That means he was not certain. He was not certain. Why he was not certain, student? Because both the tasks means both the jobs which he had got, both the jobs, what were the both jobs? The first one was to make a cannon, what he had made, and the second one he was assigned with the great pen. So both the jobs or the tasks were totally different. Kuan Yu's daughter Ko-yi. Now coming to another character, Ko-yi. Okay, and so another daughter Ko-yi, what she did, she was afraid. She was frightened. Why was she frightened? She was frightened for her father's life. She was frightened for her father's life. The reason behind, now what was the reason behind, student? The reason behind, if he fails in his task, he would be punished by the king. And who is that king? That king is Yongle. The emperor summoned means to order or call, summoned. Okay, ordered or called, he was summoned, ordered, and in that, so Kuan Yu and told him that the bell should be made. What bell should be made of? Bell should be made of gold, silver and brass. In correct proportion. It should be in correct proportions. For sturdiness. For sturdiness means rough or ability to stand. Sturdiness. Rough. Okay. Or to, what did I say? Ability to stand. It should also ring clear around how many miles it should go through, his voice should reach till 33 miles. And when Kuan Yu received the commission, a formal request. Commission means formal request. and he received the formal request, a formal request from the emperor, he started looking for the book stalls and where he could find ancient descriptions of the best methods used in bell casting. So that is why it is said that he started looking and he was ready that okay, where is the book stall where he could get, he was ready to give the amount also, whatever the amount. So, and he got it and he was ready to pay that amount, and then of course, and especially that person, but they should be experienced in a great work for which he was preparing. Then it says, soon the great foundry, a worship or factory. Foundry means a workshop, foundry. Foundry means work shop or factory. Is it clear, student? I hope it must be very, very clear to each one of you till here. So, what happened? He just forecasting and was ready with the laborers. So, laborers were there, huge fires, and with the fires were burning, great piles of gold, silver, brass, everything, all these metals was available there, and they all were weighed so that it should be in a correct proportion. For few days, the emperor started sending his messengers. So he started sending his messengers to ask about what is the progress of the work. So Kuang Yu, in his very modest way, what did he do? He would reply that he would not be certain, and he was not certain when the bell would be ready. So he was bit hesitant. So that's what I said, hesitant, it's there. Hesitant means he was not very certain that when the bell would be ready. So Kuang Yu consulted an astrologer. So you know that astrologer means what? One who predicts about future. Astrologer. One who predicts about future. One who predicts about future. So that was here. It says, and was appointed a day for them. There was a day was appointed for the casting. The emperor came to see for the first time for the casting of the bell. So definitely the emperor wanted that let's go and see. And being the first day, so he came. And who is that emperor? All of you know that. The emperor that emperor will come and just see. So then for the casting the bell. Quing was afraid because he thought something was lacking. He thought that something is lacking in the mixture of the boiling method. So he was thinking that something or the other is just lacking. So in the mixture of the boiling metals. So when you do, it is said that enhancement in the skill is not possible. It is not possible by additional knowledge or advice. Experience also play an important role in the development of skill. So this is very, very important. Not only that, it is said that when you do some work or you give advice, not only that, but of course the experience also matters, as in the development of the skill, whatever it is there. And then that says, the day, what happened? Dawned. It says that, dawned. The day of casting came, and the emperor and his courtiers, they all assembled. So I hope it must be very, very clear till here to each one of you, and we shall continue this class in the next session. Thank you, student.